everyone, Michael from Infinikey here, and you probably noticed on our YouTube channel a lot of recent videos around our company products. We've worked with Twitter, Google, Android, and a lot of others in the recent past, and we just want to take a moment and focus on what we're doing with custom company keyboards and what we're focusing on to make that experience so unique for everybody that works with us here at Infinikey. To start off, and definitely the most important aspect of the experience for us, is the level of customization on the keyboard. At first, we started with customizing the physical components of the keyboard, starting with the keycaps, having the company's brandings, following the branding guidelines, the logos, the icons, the colors, and really making this a bespoke experience for the people who are using it at their desks. We've done it for Android here, Stadia, and we're going to continue to make lots of unmistakable mechanical keyboards for the companies that work with us. Then we go on to the custom keyboard components, the switches inside, the colors of the keyboard itself, and now in the last couple months, the badge of the back of the keyboard, having that unmistakable logo or brand on the back of the keyboard as well, not just on the top of the keycaps. And then lastly, we are now doing custom packaging, a custom opening experience, the whole 9 yards. We really want, from the moment that employees and colleagues get this on their desk within the package, to know what they're getting into and excited about the upcoming keyboard experience. Number two, on the back end, we want to make sure that this experience for even first-time newcomers, users of keyboards, have a seamless onboarding experience with us and really make it as easy as picking up the phone or sending us an email, telling us what you're looking to do, and we'll have you typing away in no time on a custom bespoke keyboard. On the back end, we'll make sure that our dedicated team handles every little thing that we might need in this process, from design to shipping, fulfillment, QC, and even hosting the event itself in person or online for your team. You really have nothing to worry about when it comes to keyboards with Infinikey. And of course, we want to make this the most exciting experience for everyone involved in these projects. The keyboards are the most important tool we rely on every day. And why not have one that is high quality, branded along with your mission, and is something that your colleagues will legitimately be excited about and will set the tone for office life. With our workshops and online videos, we will help people put together their first beloved keyboard within the hour, and they'll be typing away in no time, excited about what they're going to be doing with that bespoke tool on their desk. So I hope this gives you a great overview of what we're doing here with companies at Infinikey. If you want to learn more, you can check out our socials. There's the Infinikey YouTube page where we post tutorials, unboxings, social media as well. And we have a dedicated part of our website for company keyboards with the examples, the concepts, the renders, and the products we've made with dozens of different companies around the world. We're looking forward to hearing from you and learning more about what your ambitions are with these types of team projects. This is Michael at Infinikey, and until next time, see you soon.